Hello everyone, if you're new here, I'm Katie, and today is our weekly planner video. So grab your planners, your stickers, your washi tape, your pens and pencils, whatever you use for planning. You never have to use the supplies that I use. This is just what I use. I use different supplies every single week. I use stickers, washi tape, so much fun stuff. I have a whole playlist on my channel of all previous planner videos. So this is the first week in September. I can't believe it's already going to be September, but I'm going to be using half happy planners, and I'll also be using this fun sticker book. I did do a flip through of this. It's really fun. It's got a lot of kind of vintage antique looking stickers. I thought that would be fun for September. We're heading toward fall, and I thought that would be a fun idea. And we're also going to be using some of Michael's Recollection washi tape. Everything that I'll be using in this video and any video, I will try to link down all the supplies down below in the description box. So go check that out. And let's go ahead and get started. So I use a happy planner. You do not have to use a happy planner if you don't want to. I recommend going like a week or two after January. If you don't plan like the first day of January like I do, if you wait, they go on sale like at least a good 60 to 80% off. So wait for that sale. It's worth it. Did I say 60 to 80%? I would say about 60%. They usually don't go 80% off until like maybe early February or something. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I think I'm going to be using like this really pretty kind of vintage yellow. I've actually used a lot of this. It actually almost might be empty already. But I think this nice yellow will be pretty. Or we could use the antique blue. Oh, no, I don't know what to use. I guess it depends on the stickers we use. If you didn't notice, I'm using a white tablecloth now. I don't know if you can tell because it's pretty zoomed in. But I have a white tablecloth now and I can actually use it. So yay for that. Alright, so there are so many fun stickers in here. I think I am going to stick with the yellow because there does seem to be a lot of yellow pattern in here. So let's go ahead and use some yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my washi tape down. And I will be right back because I've shown a lot of my previous videos how I do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this. Okay, I am back. And I forgot to mention to you guys, if you're new to the Happy Planner, these pages actually do remove and come out. So it makes it a lot easier to write, especially if you're a lefty like I am. Easier to write and decorate. So that's how we are going to decorate our pages today. So there we go. We have our pages and we have all of our fun stickers. So excited to actually use this sticker book. I think I've only used it once. And there's some intricate stickers in here. Like this is actually stickers. I don't know. There's different shapes in here. Like it's not just one whole sticker page. There's actually shapes in there. And I think they're going to be too elaborate right now because I'm probably going to have a hard time figuring out where to put them. See, there's so much fun stuff in here. Okay, I think I'm going to put a K for Katie because that's my name. So I think it'd be fun to put a K around here somewhere. Let's see, what K do we want to use? I think let's use this big brown one here. I love that there's like for some reason a Viking. Like you think that would be for a V instead of a K? Kind of confused a little bit there. Okay, I think I'm going to put that down here. All right, let's see what else we have. I found this really cool shoe, and I think it'll match with that big K. So I kind of want to use this shoe. I don't know why. I kind of felt like just like a Victorian style page would be really fun. And then we'll add in some faith words and stuff because this is my faith planner. So I put my favorite Bible verse that I read that day, or also my daily thank yous. So everything goes in here. And I did get pretty far behind, but I'm almost all caught up. The summer just went zipping by, and I was like, oh no, I gotta catch up in my planner. All right, there's some like really interesting stuff in here. I kind of like these Victorian ladies are really cool. Ooh, what should we use? They're all fun. There's some very different things in here. Kind of like this one. She looks like she's taking off his shoe or something. Or maybe they're dancing. Yeah, they're probably dancing. I kind of like this couple. They're kind of fun, doing their own type of dance there. Okay, so I'll use these. And they actually look like they're one sticker. I thought they were two, but they're not. Also going to be really hard to get off, apparently. Okay, I got them on there. I had to do it off camera because they were a little bit stuck to the paper, just a little bit. I think I'm also going to use another of the couples. I think I'll use this one. I like the pink in her dress. Hopefully this one won't stick as bad as the other one did. Okay, we're good. They must not have printed the paper all the way through that one. Okay, I think I'll put this couple on the other page. Let's put them maybe down here. I like to leave enough room for writing, whether it's up above or down below the stickers, just to make sure there's not like a lot going on. These are big stickers compared to other stickers I've used. I actually kind of like these flowers. Oh, I think it would have been better if I put the ladies in the center of the flowers, but that's okay. Maybe I could find some other flowers in here. Okay, oops, sorry I moved the camera if I did. Found some cute flowers here that'd be really pretty, like this yellow one down here. I think yellow and pink would be pretty. So let's go ahead and put the yellow one on this side. And then I'm going to put the pink one on the other side. What pink one though? They both look pretty. I think I'll use the darker pink. There we go. And I'm going to put this one on this page. I was going to say maybe I can put it in the shoe or something. I'll put it down here. There we go. I found these hands holding. I think those are really cute. Maybe that would be a cute thing to put on our page. Like it goes along with like the feel of dancing and stuff. Let's see. Okay, so I think we're done with this sticker book. There's a lot in here and a lot like that might not work well with my journaling, but you know, that's okay if you look through it, and there's like a lot of stuff in here. I think we're good to go though. There's some other flowers. Maybe we should add more flowers. No, I think we're okay. These are pretty big stickers, and so I think they take up a lot of room compared to other stickers. So be mindful of that if you get that sticker book. They're quite big. Okay, let me go find my other sticker book we're going to use. It's in here. And this is the Faith Happy Planner sticker book. So it's got a whole bunch of different Bible verses and different note-taking stuff. And I just put it in my Mambi sticker book collection thing, so that way it's easier to see them all. See what we want to use. Kind of like this commit your work onto the Lord. And maybe we can put that over here somewhere. Maybe underneath this hand. I don't know if they're movable. Let's find out if these stickers are movable. Ooh, they are. Okay. I was wondering that too, because I know like Happy Planner stickers, you're able to move stickers about. And these ones seem like they're pretty easy to move around, so that's nice to know. I'm actually going to move this like this, so that way we can see the commit your work onto the Lord sticker. I'm looking for more kind of yellow colored stickers. Still, I found out what this means. If you guys don't know what this PTL means, it means praise the Lord. Didn't know that. Someone finally told me what it meant, so thank you. Let's see, what else should we do? Let's go ahead and do this amen. I kind of like the yellow look to it. The yellow is very bright and sunny. still kind of goes with the Victorian theme. Let's see what else we have. There is another Faith sticker book that I would love to get, but I haven't had a chance to get it yet. But I hope to get it soon. Let's see, what else do we want to use? There's not really too many things that say like Victorian and stuff. As I said, the newer ones that they have are definitely more kind of muted tones and not so bright, so they would work better. Let's use this one. This one that says, let's see, is this silver? It looks like it's silver. Yeah, it looked gold at first, but I think it's silver foil. I think gold foil would work better if we had some. Let's do the Shine Bright. I like that. Nice yellow. I love see-through stickers. I think they're awesome. So you can overlay them over other stickers if you wanted to, or just have them on their own. They're really fun to use. See, I think I'll put that up here maybe. Or should I put it up here? You know, I think I'm going to put it up here. I don't know why, but it looks cute up there. All right, let's see if we have any other ones that we want to use. Oops. Sticker came from somewhere. These are cute. I like these. This one says grace, not perfection, which none of us are perfect. Only Jesus is. He was the only perfect person out there. Okay, so let's put this one over on this page. Actually, I might overlay it a little bit and put it over here. And then there's another one that says Walk by Faith, and I kind of want to use that one too. So I'll use the Walk by Faith sticker as well, and I'm going to put this one over here. Oops. I think that one ended up being a little crooked. That's why I love stickers. Most stickers come off fairly easily on this paper. Not all of them do, but most of them do. There we go. And I think I'm going to use, let's see, I want at least one more. And I think we're good. I think I'm going to use, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use the, this gold colored one that says, or peace. Maybe I'll put peace down. Peace in the Lord, I think all of us need sometimes. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the peace down. It's a very simple page this week, but that's okay. You can go as elaborate as you want, or you can go ahead and just make it simple. You can use just pens and pencils. You don't have to use any supplies that you don't have already at home. Okay, so here is the page for this week. I think it turned out really cute. I love the ladies dancing with their gentlemen, and it just turned out cute. So I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day and a blessed week. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video. And I will see you all Wednesday for our weekly Bible journaling.